Hey fifth graders, it's Mrs. Tremblay. I wanted to help you along a little bit with your finding locations using latitude and longitude sheet. So make sure you have that. And we're going to use the map to identify the latitude and longitude of each one of these dots on here. It says star on your sheet, but they're just dots. So if you look down below, it says letter of the star A, and you're going to give me the degrees latitude, include the north or south, and degrees of longitude, include west or east. So as I'm looking at this map, I see A, and it's right here. And just like we did in class, I want you to know which section of the map that it is in. Remember, we said that the equator is the 0 degrees lines of latitude. Latitude is latitude. And this equator is going to separate the northern and southern hemispheres. And we also have our prime meridian right here, and that is 0 degrees longitude, and that's going to separate our western and eastern hemisphere. So when I look at A right here, I see that A is above the equator, so that means the degrees of latitude are going to be degrees north. So I'm going to go ahead right now and write degrees north in my A. And I also notice that I have to go up and I go to the left, and the left means west. So I'm going to go ahead and write degrees west here. So now we have to figure out what are the degrees. Okay, so in looking at this, the first thing I'm going to do, I know that since A is in the northwest, I'm going to follow A right over to the left here, and I see 60 degrees north. So in my spot here, I'm going to write 60, and then that little tiny circle means degrees, so we don't have to write the word degrees every single time. All right, now when I follow A up, I see it says 120 degrees west, so I'm going to write 120. And again, we don't have to write the word degrees, we just use that little circle. So A is done. Let's do letter B. So as we're looking at our map, I see letter B, it's right here. Now notice that B is south of the equator, and it's in the the eastern side of the prime meridian. So that means when I'm trying to figure out where B is, I'm going to use the points that are along the bottom and side, because this is the quadrant of the map that B is in. So when I follow B all the way over, because I want to give my south first, I see it is 45 degrees south. So I'm going to go ahead and B and write 45 degrees S. And when you follow B down, it says 30 degrees east. So 30 degrees with the letter E. So basically, once you figure out which section of the map that it's in, you're going to go ahead and just follow it up and over within that section. Good luck to you. Thank you for listening.